Hello students, good morning all of you. Today I Ravindra Mohan Mishra from Sri Jagdamba Sanskrit College Batho. I am taking the class of Shastri first. Yesterday we have learned what is adjective and kinds of adjective. Now we learn about degree. In degree there will be use of adjectives. That is why yesterday we have learned about different kinds of adjective. Today we want to learn first of all what is degree and what are its kind. Let's start today's first question. What is degree? An adjective which shows upper level of adjective to the lower level of adjective is called degree. For instances, Ram is the best boy of my class. Here, best is of superlative degree of good. It is of highest kinds of adjective. Next example is Ram is as good as Shyam. Here is also we apply here good. Good is here also adjective which shows lower level of adjective. डिग्री वो होता है जो उच्च स्तर को और निम्न स्तर से तुलना करता है, उच्च स्तर और निम्न स्तर को व्यक्त करता है, उसे ही हम डिग्री कहते हैं. What are kinds of degree? There are three kinds of degree. First one is positive degree, second one is comparative degree, and third one is superlative degree. What is positive degree? A degree which shows lower level of adjective is called positive degree. Just for example, जो एडजेक्टिव निम्न स्तर के जो डिग्री निम्न स्तर के एडजेक्टिव को व्यक्त करता है उसे हम पॉजिटिव डिग्री कहते हैं. फॉर इंस्टांसेस, सीता इज एज ब्यूटीफुल एज गीता. सीता उतनी ही सुंदर है जितना कि गीता है. हेयर इज द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ गुड, दैट इज ऑफ डिग्री इन पॉजिटिव डिग्री. यहाँ सीता उतना ही सुंदर है जितना गीता है. यहाँ गुड जो दिया हुआ है ये पॉजिटिव डिग्री को व्यक्त करता है और ये तुलना करता है निम्न स्तर के, ये निम्न स्तर के डिग्री को व्यक्त करता है. सेकेंड वन इज व्हाट इज कंपैरेटिव डिग्री? ए डिग्री which compares from higher to lower kinds of level of adjectives is called comparative degree. जो डिग्री उच्च दर्जे के एडजेक्टिव्स को निम्न दर्जे के एडजेक्टिव से तुलना करता है उसे ही हम कंपैरेटिव डिग्री कहते हैं. जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राम इज टॉलर देन श्याम. राम श्याम से लंबा है. टॉलर इज ऑफ डिग्री इन कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. थर्ड वन इज ऑफ सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. ए डिग्री which defines highest level of adjectives is called superlative degree. Just for example, we take New York is the greatest seaport in the world. Here is the greatest, the application of greatest is in degree of superlative degree. Greatest का यहाँ उपयोग superlative डिग्री में हुआ है। जो डिग्री उच्च दर्जे के एडजेक्टिव को व्यक्त करता है उसे हम सुपरलेटिव डिग्री कहते हैं। इट इज ऑफ काइंड्स ऑफ डिग्री एंड डिग्री। नाउ देयर आर some conversation of changing of degrees from positive to comparative to superlative. First of all, we want to learn about it. Generally, after adding er or r in positive degree and est and st in positive degree, we change into comparative or superlative degree. For instances, a small, after adding er, it will be a smaller in comparative degree, and adding est, it will be a smallest, that will be of superlative degree. Next example is high, h-i-g-h. After adding er, it will be comparative degree, and adding est, it will be superlative degree, highest. Second one is if the positive degree ends with constant plus y, then y is changed into I, and adding er, we make it comparative, and adding est, we make it superlative degree. For instances, happy, changing y into I and adding er, happier, it will be of comparative degree, and changing y into I and adding est, it will be superlative degree, happiest. Second one is pretty, that will be changing y into I and adding er, pretty, prettier, that will be of comparative degree, and I change into I and est, prettiest, that will be of superlative degree. Third one is there are adverbs which ends with ly, then adding mor, then it become comparative degree, and adding most, then it will be of superlative degree. For instances, beautifully, that will be ends with ly, more beautifully, it will be of comparative degree, and most beautifully, it will be of superlative degree. Carefully, more carefully, it will be of comparative degree, and most carefully, it will be of superlative degree. Fourth one is positive degree ends with constant, and before constant there is vowel, then adding er, it become comparative degree, and est, it becomes superlative degree. For instances, यदि पॉजिटिव के अंत में कांस्टेंट हो और उसके पहले वॉवेल हो तो ई आर जोड़ने से कंपैरेटिव डिग्री होता है और ई एस टी जोड़ने से सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. फॉर इंस्टांसेस, रेड, आफ्टर एडिंग ई आर, रेडर, that will be, and reddest, REDDEST, that will be hot, HOTTER, hotter, HOTTEST, हॉटेस्ट, सुपरलेटिव।